Okay, so Peewee 1 is flying good so far. Here's Peewee 1 again. Alright, and I put Peewee... Oh! What happened? I didn't even turn it on. Peewee? Why did he move? I didn't even touch the control. I didn't even have it on.
Really?
Alright, let's try it again. Peewee, behave. What'd you do? You're excited to fly. He's excited.
Be careful, maybe something's
Okay.
wrong.
Let's try it again. Alright, so this is Peewee 1. Ready? Go. It doesn't have enough power though. I noticed Peewee 2 has more engine power. So I gotta keep Peewee 1 low. I don't want to put him up too high. Stay low, Peewee. Don't go up too high. Stay low. Okay. He flies better. He flies better than the other one. I don't know why. The other one goes up too high. He flies straighter. Oh. Hi, Peewee 1. There's no wind today, too, so it's a beautiful day for flying, for change. So you really have to get up early and be out of the house by 6. He flies a lot better than the other one. I gotta figure out. Take them home and weigh them together and try and balance Peewee 2. I think there's too much weight in the back for some reason. Maybe it's the new batteries. I have bigger, fatter batteries that last longer, and I use them in Peewee 2. I have the small battery in Peewee 1 right now. But he's flying a lot better than Peewee 2. Wow, very good. I'm impressed. You're doing good, Peewee. This is Peewee 1. And stupid flies are attacking us again, damn it. Fucking flies. Sorry, excuse my language, but they are very annoying. Okay, Peewee, come in for the landing. Alright, so this is Peewee 2. I'm going to test fly Peewee 2 again.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Hi. Alright, so ready? This is Peewee 2. What the fuck happened there? What the hell happened there? Peewee, what'd you do, Peewee 2? You scared me. Actually, a fucking fly went up my nose. Yeah, that's what happened. These flies are annoying. See? You know what? I opened up the inside a little bit more. I made it like wider. I scraped some of the styrofoam from inside the compartment where the battery goes. So I have a feeling maybe the big battery that I put in is like moving, going back and forth. Or maybe the big battery is affecting the flight. He's like going up and down, up and down. Alright, so I have to figure that out when I go home. Because Peewee number 1 was flying more straighter and smoother. He's doing like loops. Goes up and down, up and down. I'm trying to hold him steady at one level and he goes either up or down. See? Look. Something's wrong. I still have to figure it out. Right, Peewee 2? We'll figure it out. Anything that moves around on its own is alive to me. So that's why I talk to them. Hi, Peewee 2. Peewee 2 has the new computer chip, the new motor. But he's doing these loops. He keeps going up. I'm trying to make him fly level. See? Look. Uh-oh. Why is he doing that? Peewee! What'd you do? Alright, this Peewee 2. That was funny. He's showing off and he crashed.